All right, part 2 of American Crime Journal's Coco Berthmann QA. So, were the charges against Coco Berthmann dropped? Was it because the GoFundMe money was refunded that she could no longer be prosecuted? The answer is those are absolutely false. Guys, there is so much to unpack here, and it's all bad information. I honestly could make an hour-long podcast just on these claims alone. Both of those are false. The third variation is absolutely false about the GoFundMe refunding the money. First, Coco was never formally charged with a crime. She was arrested for suspicion of communications fraud for a very specific reason. So they can't drop charges that never happened. She was never charged, so they can't drop charges that she was never charged with. Second, Utah has the most strict laws and longest sentences for fraud. Utah is the fraud capital of the United States. In fact, Utah is the only state that has a registry for white-collar criminals for this very reason. All right, back to the subject at hand, though. Coco Berthmann is in very serious trouble. While the district attorney will never admit this, keep in mind that aside from being an award-winning journalist for almost 60 years, Lynn Packer is a trial consultant and is right now working on the Michael Drury case. And he also was an adjunct professor at BYU. Lynn Packer and I did not get our expertise and experience through YouTube University and postgrad through Google searches. One thing that all these Constitution lovers and state rights folks fail to understand, or has not read the Constitution beyond the Second Amendment, is Article 6, Paragraph 2 of the U.S. Constitution. This is known as the Supremacy Clause. And it establishes that the federal Constitution and federal law takes precedence over state laws and the state constitution. Like Tim Ballard, Coco Berthmann is in serious trouble. We get this a lot with our Tim Ballard and Operation Underground Railroad investigation as to why are they not being charged yet?